like them. It sucks me out to think like them.
Hey guys, this is Deb, editing Deb, and I just wanted to let you know that, yeah, this is delayed because I've been having technical difficulties, and I think I almost got them resolved. And last week's Temu has been a lot of the problem because it's like 45 minutes long. And there was a hum in the background again, and it was on my phone, so I don't know what's going on. So I'm trying to put it all on my computer and do it in here. But I just wanted to tell you, you can get to July's spoilers from the same website as Temu because they put them right on their website. Thanks. Hi guys. Hey, I'm here for June's 2023 ice cream. Now I already took the peanuts out because you know how I am with the peanuts in the mess. But you get this card and it tells you everything in here. So I'll set that on my lap. Better grab my glasses because they kind of tend to type smally. Okay, this is ZC. Something's open. I think it's this. Anyhow, it's CZ. Interstellar Space Highlighter by ZZ. Okay. I'm just going to open that from the bottom because it's not taped at the bottom, it's taped at the top. I love the way they do that. Well, this is different. This is different. Check it out. It's a little spaceship. It's interstellar. Now I gotta figure out how to open it. I think there's a magnet right here. That's what it looks like. It's definitely interstellar. You see that it's just a little touch there. But when you first put it on, you can go that thick. That's cute. Cute packaging. And that is valued at $35. And they really got tiny writing on this one this time. Okay, and then we got Charmacy double-headed stick. Double-sided multi-chrome sticks by Charmacy, and they're valued at $34. Here we go. Now I got them open. We're heading for home now, buddy. And this just, is that pink right there? I don't know if you can see it. See the pink right there? I don't know if you can see it or not. Here, I'll do it right here where I know you can see it. Okay. It goes from white to pink. See that? It goes from white to pink. And this side, goes from like a green to a dark to a blue, and that's what those are. And that is valued at $34. Okay, so then we have that, and then we have these two. It's these. These are duochrome sparkle shadows, and they're $38. These are going to make a mess because I have a feeling they're loose pigments by the way they look. Oh yes, they are definitely loose pigments. That's that color. There's that one. I can tell what I did and what I didn't do. Okay, now I'll do this one. I'm trying to open it without causing a mess. There, got it. And there's that one. Let's see how color shifting. Okay. Then next we got Glitter Lipstick by Oakland Cosmetics. I'll get that all in my dress. Ooh, that's the color. That's bright. It's bright. It's bright. But it's only sparkly on the outside, see? See it? See on the inside? It's not sparkly. Okay. There's that. And then, oh, that was valued at $5. And then we got Visage Beauty Moon Cosmetics Ice Cream Beauty. And this is valued at $20. And those are the colors. And I'm probably not going to swatch those today because I'm probably going to put those in a giveaway or something. So what'd you think of that box? This box is always worth the money, and it's always makeup heavy, always. So, anyway, if you like what you see, come on back, join us. Like, subscribe, we do all kinds of things here. We do Temu hauls, we do bins hauls, we do all kinds of hauls. Unclaimed mail, you name it, we do it. So anyhow, like, subscribe, come on back. Bye.